All right, a very split week is coming, and we can really divide it into three parts. First of all, it's going to be very hot and humid for, at the very least, the next 3 days. Through Wednesday, we're going to have temperatures well into the 90s with lots of humidity. So, well, it feels like temperatures at around or maybe even slightly above 100 degrees in select cases as well. And then later in the week, specifically Thursday into Friday, a strong cold front is going to be pushing through the region. So we'll have elevated chances for showers and thunderstorms during those 2 days. In the wake of that cold front, really going to mean business in terms of the air mass change. It's going to feel a heck of a lot different by next week in terms of cooler temperatures and lower humidity values as well. And speaking of rain, the rain is pushing to our south. The rain that we had earlier today with the showers and thunderstorms. We're just dealing with these partly cloudy skies, but that's pushing to the south as well. Little weak cold front's going to push through tonight, but there isn't going to be a remarkable change in the air mass whatsoever. Again, that's going to be coming by later this week. Temperatures right now are very warm and muggy in the mid to upper 70s, and it's 80 degrees right there in Dover. Check that out. We've got 79 degrees with Ted and Millsboro reporting 1/10 of an inch of rainfall from the showers and thunderstorms that we had earlier today, but it's very humid out there with dew points in those mid 70s. So through the rest of the overnight tonight, the skies will be clearing. We'll have a mostly sunny sky tomorrow with temperatures rising into those lower and maybe even mid 90s. With plenty of sunshine to speak of. So lots of sunshine and hot and humid. That's the name of the game for Monday and even into Tuesday and Wednesday as well. We're forecasting temperatures to be in those lower to mid 90s through midweek, forecasting a high temperature of 95 degrees by Wednesday. But look at this, Thursday into Friday. 89 on Thursday and 80 degrees on Friday. A big change is coming our way in terms of the temperatures and also the humidity as well. You'll notice how it's very muggy with those dew point values above 70 degrees through Thursday. And then Friday into Saturday, that's when changes come about. With that cold front pushing through, we get a drier Canadian air mass taking shape along with cooler temperatures. But again, we're going to be having to deal with those scattered showers and thunderstorms Thursday into Friday. But in the wake of that front, if you don't like heat and humidity, we're in for a real treat because we're going to be having temperatures dropping into those lower 80s and low temperatures could be in those 60s. Some very comfortable weather certainly on the way for the end of this week going into the weekend if you don't like the heat and humidity. Tonight, we're dropping into the 70s, though, or staying in the 70s, I should say, 74 to 79 degrees with a partly cloudy sky. And because of all the moisture that's in place and because we had rain earlier today, definitely watch out for some areas of patchy fog out there. Marine forecast for tomorrow, winds only around 5 to 10 knots out there, so wave heights aren't going to be too bad at all. Temperatures between 89 and 94 degrees for those temperatures, and feels like temperatures will be at around 100 degrees given the humidity. So it's going to be a very steamy day out there. And that includes Tuesday into Wednesday as well. Temperatures rising into the mid 90s with lots of humidity. And then changes start for Thursday. Temperatures will be dropping into the upper 80s with showers and thunderstorms dropping to 80 degrees by Friday. Generally, with a mostly cloudy sky with lingering showers likely. And then going into the weekend, we'll have mostly sunny skies. Temperatures only in the low 80s for those high temperatures and nighttime lows dropping well into the 60s. We got a very comfortable stretch of weather for this weekend.